Every day is a chance to learn. So with this motivational quote, we are starting the next part of the lesson, that is what happens when metal react with water and acids. So let's begin. Okay, so let's understand the first, that is reaction of metals with water. When metal react with water, it gives rise to metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, further this metal oxide again react with water and it gives rise to metal hydroxide. So let's discuss more about how the metals are reacting with the water. So not all the metals are reacting with the water and not with the cold water only. So there are some metals react with cold water, there are some metals which react with the hot water, and there are some metals which react with the steam. So magnesium reacts vigorously with steam to produce magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. Only metal oxide which are dissolved in water, it further react with the water and form the metal hydroxide. So here we are having the examples. First one is the potassium, which react violently with the cold water, and we can write the reaction for this. 2K, which is in solid form, plus 2 water molecule, which gives rise to 2KOH, which is in aqueous form, plus hydrogen gas, and in this reaction heat energy is formed. These are the exothermic reaction where heat energy is formed. So we have one more example, that is a sodium, which reacts with the water and forms NaOH, that is in aqueous form, also gives rise a hydrogen gas with the heat energy. So magnesium, it does not react with the cold water, but yes, also it reacts with the hot water and it gives rise as magnesium oxide plus hydrogen. And there is one more method that reacting this magnesium metal with the steam. You can see on the screen, there is this assembly where we are using magnesium metal and also we are using a steam to get the magnesium oxide from it and hydrogen gas. So this is the same assembly we can use for other metals such as zinc, aluminum and iron, because they are not easily react with either cold or hot water. So we are using steam for reacting with the metals such as aluminum, iron and zinc, and after reacting with this steam they are giving metal oxides from it and even hydrogen gas. Even there are some other examples, the metals which are not react with the hot or cold water. So these are the lead, copper, silver and gold. So let's understand what happens when metals react with acids. So here are some metals, that is magnesium, aluminum, zinc and iron. When they react with the hydrochloric acid, here we are taking dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay, so they are giving us metal salts. Yes, they are giving us metal salt, not metal oxide. Just remember that. Okay, metals when react with water and air, they are giving metal oxides, but when metal react with the acid, they are giving metal salts. So you can see here, when magnesium react with the acid, it gives rise to magnesium chloride, that is a salt. Similarly, for all the metals, they are giving us metal salts. Okay, what if we are not using the dilute acid? When we change the acid, what happens? Okay, what happens when we change the acids? So here the line you can see, copper does not react with the dilute HCl. That's why I have not put on the reaction about the copper, right? So let's understand, when we change the acid, what happens? Okay, when you change the dilute acid with the concentrated acids, the hydrogen gas does not evolve here, because nitric acid acts as an oxidizing agent, and this oxidizing agent, okay, oxidizes this hydrogen into water and itself reduced to nitrogen oxide, for example N2O or NO or NO2. All these, what we can conclude here, so the reactivity is decreasing, right? You can see on the screen, there is, I have given the picture about how reaction is happening, the rate of the reaction happening with the different metals. In aluminum, it shows no initial reaction. Then copper, no reaction at all, because just I told you, it does not react with the dilute acid. And iron shows slow reaction, but the magnesium shows fastest reaction, and zinc also shows fast reaction. So we also know about this reactivity series or activity series of metals. So you can see potassium, sodium, barium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron and nickel. So these metals are more reactive than hydrogen. Okay, and they shows the from top to bottom they can show you that decreasing chemical reactivity. So how the reactivity decreases? That is, Mg is more reactive than aluminum, than zinc, than iron. So we are going to stop here. Okay. In our next coming videos, we will see the remaining part of the chapter. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more such videos.